Hi and welcome to today's video by Study Unifees. Today's video is for those of you who are planning to study abroad and looking for an educational consultancy or a study abroad company to help you in your plans. Today, we'll be talking about what industry certifications a study abroad company should have as a whole, and also what industry certifications individual counselors in these companies should have. The most widely respected and valued certificate for a study abroad company as a whole is the IAS. IAS stands for ICF Agent Status. ICF, based in Bonn, Germany, is a global company that provides these certifications to study abroad companies and educational consultants. Having IAS or ICF agency status means that the company adheres to very high standards, not only of integrity and transparency, but also the quality of the services. So, rest assured, if you're getting your processing done through an ICF agency status company, you will get completely transparent, honest, and qualitative services. Now, let's talk about individual counselor certifications. USATC or US Agent Training Course is a training and certification provided by ICEF for counselors who specialize in helping students to study in the USA. If your USA counselor does not have this certification, this means that they do not approach global standards. So, if you're planning to study in the USA, make sure your counselor is USATC certified. If you're planning to study in Australia, make sure your counselor is EATC certified. This means that your counselor has a comprehensive knowledge not only of the educational system in Australia, but also visa rules and regulations, and also that they stay updated on all the latest changes. So, if you're planning to study in Australia, search for a company that has an EATC certified counselor helping students to study in Australia. For those of you who are planning to study in Canada, ICEF provides CCEA certification to those Canadian counselors who have finished the course and also passed the exams. This ensures that CCEA certified counselors have a comprehensive knowledge and experience of the educational system in Canada and also the visa regimes. For those of you who are planning to study in Ireland, make sure that your counselor is IEAC certified. IEAC counselors are trained professionals who have a thorough knowledge of studying in Ireland and what it takes to get a student visa to study in Ireland. If you're planning to study in France, look for a counselor with the ASF certification. ASF certification ensures that your counselor approaches the highest levels of professionalism and integrity for students who are planning to study in France. Study Unifees is not only an ICEF certified agency, but it also has counselors with various industrial certifications for different destinations. The fact that Study Unifees is an ICEF certified agency attests to the fact that we have attained the highest professional standards. It also attests to the fact that we are an agency that practices the highest standards in transparency and integrity. Our EATC certified counselors give you the best processes and results possible for studying in Australia. Our USATC certified counselors make sure that you get the best entry-level package into the US. Our ASF certified counselors make sure that you approach your plan to study in France thoroughly, comprehensively, and with the best result in mind. In addition, our counselors are also IATC certified. This means that they have skills in various global destinations. So, choose Study Unifees if you want to choose a company that is certified as a whole and whose counselors are also certified individually. Thanks for watching today's video. For more insightful videos like this, like, share and subscribe. To get your plans to study abroad on track with a certified counselor, register for a free counseling session at www.studyunifees.io.